Okay, so over here is my dining room. It's really tiny, but here on my table, I put a black tablecloth that I got from Walmart. And then the black and white buffalo check table runner is from, I can't remember if I got it from Burlington or Home Goods. If I can remember where I got it, I will make sure to let you guys know. But anyway, I thought it was really cute because I really liked the little witch hanging there, and she's on both sides. And then on top here, I have this witch hat, and I got this from Home Goods last year. The little black cat I got from the at-home store this year. And then this is my favorite. It is my witch's cauldron that my mom had given me a few years ago. And then it's sitting down in a wreath that my mom also gave me a few years ago, but this wreath is so old that it's falling apart, so I'm afraid this is probably the last year that I will have it. I did try fixing it, but there's just no hope. So it's so old that these little black things, see, they just fall off. You just pick them off of there. So there's just no hope. Even hot glue can't fix it. So I have my witch's cauldron in here, and it just bubbles with some little steam coming out there. I think it's so cool. It's like a kind of like a little fountain sort of thing. But anyway, I love it. And then over here I have the Witch's Inn statue, and I think I got that one at it was either Home Goods or Marshall's. I have a haul of where I got it. My brain is so scattered, so I can't remember anything anymore. But anyway, I thought that was so cute, so I put that there. And then these witch boots I got from the Lakeside collection, but I was in Michael's the other day, and I did notice they have some almost identical to them. So, and right now I think Michael's is running like a 40% off of their Halloween decor, so you can get them for fairly cheap. So it's like a witch's boot base type thing, and then I have these little glitter branches or coral or whatever they want to call them that I got from the Dollar Tree, so I just placed those down in there. And then on the backs of the chairs are the skeleton chair covers that I got from Dollar Tree. I did get them last year, but I did see some in the stores this year. So, and then up here on my little light, I have the witch that looks like she's flying on her broom. I have her up there. I got her from the at-home store this year. And then over here on the wall, and up here, there is this sign that I kind of sort of DIY'd. I don't know if you guys can see it very well with the glare from the light, but it is the I Am a Sanderson Sister, and this is a placemat that I got from Walmart this year. I don't know if it's like this in every Walmart, but in my Walmarts, they are doing some remodeling. And I noticed in this Walmart that I was in, they have a little section that's sort of like the Target bullseye playground area, where everything's like, you know, less than $1 up to like $5 or whatever. But I found these placemats, and they had several to choose from. It was hard to decide which one I wanted, so I just went ahead and grabbed this one. But they come 2 in a pack for $5. So all I did was take a 11 by 12, I think, or 11 by 14 picture frame from the Dollar Tree, and then I just traced the insert around the mat and then cut it out and put it in the picture frame and hung it on my wall. So anyway, that's what I've done with that. I think it's so cool. And then over here is my Sanderson's Museum of Witchcraft sign that I got from Spirit Halloween this year. And then let me back up here. And then on this side over here is just the Black Hats Society sign from the Dollar Tree. I just hung it right there. So there is my dining room. I just love that cauldron. So next I will go in and show you guys the last room, which is my kitchen. Okay, so here is my kitchen. Now it's super duper tiny, and my kitchen countertops and cabinets, this house is over 20 years old, so nothing has been updated as far as countertops and cabinets go. But hopefully that will come soon, but countertops and cabinets are very expensive. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start down here on the floor in front of my refrigerator. The black and white buffalo check mat is from Walmart, in that same little area that's kind of like the Target bullseye area. So it was $5. And then the 'Tis the Season to Be Spooky rug is from Dollar Tree this year. And so there's that. And you'll have to excuse if you see a little bit of dirt and grass. I did vacuum, but it still doesn't want to come up very well. So, and then over here, I'll pan out and show you guys the refrigerator. I have another one of those I Am a Sanderson Sister table mat or placemat. All I did with this was I took an old magnet and hot glued it to the back, and then I was able to stick it on my fridge. So then I'm gonna go up here to the top, and I decorated the top of my fridge with some of the spooky cloth from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this little witch here. She is from Walmart from last year. And then this little witch, I think she must have been a cookie jar, but the top, there was no top. I got her from the Goodwill last year. I just set a battery LED candle in there, which I have not lit. And then on right behind the witch is the pumpkin topiary that I did a DIY on, and I can leave a link to the video and to that in the description box, so you guys can go watch that if you want. And then I have this Hocus Pocus sign that I got from Dollar General last year. And then over here, I think this, I don't know, to me it looks like a coffee mug, but I would never drink out of that. It's very awkward. But this is from Goodwill last year. I think it's really cute though. I love that little witch steering her cauldron. And then behind her is the witch that fell in her cauldron. This is a DIY that I made. I do have a video on my channel. I will also link that down in the description box. So there is the top of my fridge. And then I'm gonna pan down here. So on this side of my countertop, I just have my sugar jar, and then this utensil holder my daughter got me, and on the other side it just says utensils, but I turned it around, and then I got some of the chalkboard stickers. It's a big sheet that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and I just cut circles out and then placed them there so it looks kind of like a ghost face. So there is that. And then over here hanging on my stove, I just have one little Halloween tea towel that I got from Walmart last year. And then over here on the other side of my stove, I have the Hocus Pocus cutting board that I also did a DIY on, and will link in the description. So I'll make sure that any of the DIYs that I have a video on, I will link them down below. So there's that. And then I have this Welcome My Pretties sign, also from the Dollar Tree. I did get that last year, but I think they have them this year too. So then we're gonna come over here, and then hanging on my door which, excuse my door, it needs repainted, is my witch hat wreath that I made. So I have that hanging there. And then over here on my countertop by my dishwasher, I just placed a plant that I already had. The candle holder here, the pumpkin candle holder, I made, I did a DIY on it, and it really didn't turn out that great. It's kind of lopsided. I kind of messed up a little bit, but anyway, I still like it and I use it. So I've just got a candle sitting up here that I got from Walmart, the Woodfire Apple, that smells really good. And then next to it, I have one of these plastic rats. And then this thankful, grateful, blessed pumpkin sign that I got from Dollar Tree last year. I know it's not really Halloween-y, but it's black, so I thought it went with the decor. So there is that. And then I'm going to pan you over here. And over here, I just have a plant. And these are the Dollar Tree planters that they are planted in. But there's a plant there. And then I have this, another one of the plastic rats. And then a little skull. And then I made this little floral arrangement. It's a witch's cauldron, a little bucket that I got from Walmart. I got that, and then I just added this little bouquet of flowers I also got from Walmart. So I just cut them off the stem and then placed them down inside. So there is that corner. And then over here on this side, I have, of course, another plant, but this is a wax warmer that I got from the Lakeside collection, and I think it's really cool. It does spread out, looks like the spider web on the countertop, which I think is really cool. So, and inside it, I am just got some of the caramel apple wax warmers from Walmart in there, and then another rat. And then over here, the last part is my tiered tray, which if you guys, I did a video on this, so if you want to go watch that, you can. So most of everything that's on here is from the Dollar Tree. So there is that. So anyway, guys, there is how I decorated my house this year for Halloween. I do have a little bit of a section outside my house that I've decorated for Halloween that I will post as soon as I get it finished. But there's been several chances of rain, especially through the weekend, so I don't know if I'll get it completed. But anyway, so you might want to look forward to that. And then I may have a couple more DIYs coming out. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.